In this video, I will show you how to get the Lowe's business credit card. So to do this, what you want to do is just open up a tab and search for Lowe's business credit. Then here we're going to click on the link that says Lowe's business credit. And there you will find the options that they have. So they have right now a Pro Rewards credit card and a commercial account. Now if you scroll down, you can see there are a few more and you can see a quick comparison. For example, for small to medium businesses, they recommend the Pro Rewards card. And then for medium to large businesses, they recommend the commercial account. So you can just go based off that, or you can do some research and see which one is actually better. So you can view the detailed chart right there. But just go to the one that you want to apply and click on apply now. Then enter your email address. Then enter your personal and business phone number and then click on continue to credit application. And from there you can then go and apply. And if you have good credit score, you will have a higher likelihood of getting approved for the card. But that's how to apply for the Lowe's business credit card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.